Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn Post Scheduler with Buffer. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Buffer website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Follow the prompts to create your Buffer account. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Manage Social Accounts section. Click on the Add a Social Account button. From the list of options, select LinkedIn. You will be prompted to authorize Buffer to access your LinkedIn account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. Once authorized, choose the LinkedIn account you want to connect. Now, you can access the Buffer scheduling tools. Go to the Content tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Create a Post. Choose your LinkedIn account from the drop-down menu. Write your post content in the designated text box. If desired, add any images or links to enhance your post. Now, look for the scheduling options below the post editor. Select Schedule Post to set a specific date and time. You can also choose Post Now if you prefer to publish immediately. After scheduling your post, confirm all the details are correct. Finally, click the Schedule Post button to complete the process. Your LinkedIn post is now successfully scheduled with Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.